Select all the points that will also be represented by the sequence on problem number 12. On problem number 12, we worked out the following sequence. Let me see if I can show it above. Or next to it. So on problem number 12, they give us the following sequence. And they want us to find out which of the following points can also be represented in that sequence. And we started to build a table. Plugging in 1 gives you an 8. Plugging in 2 gives you 16. Plugging in 3 was not shown. Plugging in 4 gives you 64. And you should be able to notice what's happening to the numbers. The sequence should be the same throughout. So from 8, what do you need to multiply to get to 16? You multiply by 2. And to get to the next number should be 32. And if we multiply by 2 again, gives you 64, so that works. And let's go all the way to number 8. And in this case, if you want to use a calculator, you can. Multiply by 2 gives you 128. Let's continue to number 6. 128, if you multiply by 2, gives you 256. Let's go all the way to 8. Multiply by 2 gives you 512. And 8 multiply by 2 gives you 1024. So 3 and 32, that one works. 5 and 256, no. 7 and 512, that one works. And 8, 1024, yes. So the only one that doesn't work is letter B. You also have the equation that you selected. So if you want to work through the equation, plug in a 3, see if it gives you 32. Plug in a 5, see if it gives you 516. Plug in a 7, see if it gives you 512. And plug in an 8 and get 24. Both way works. Many times I prefer the table, just easier to see. But since you're using a calculator, you can do it either way.